Yeah, hello there. So, it's your Martin here. This video is something I'm gonna call the Restorer. You need to focus on the consciousness that you are by visualizing an eye that can see what creates it. That is something that is not content. Thought is content. Emotions are content. Everything in this reality is content on the video game that is your life. And the future does not exist. It's not real. And the past is also not real. Does not exist. You have only this moment to be in and to act out in. Now speak with your whole body. Take up space. Yeah. That was all. Bye.